my favourite Friday seat, waiting for Sam to come down from school. Our plans for the weekend so far are minimal. It's predicted to rain a lot. If my kids were younger, I'd say let's go jumping muddy puddles like Peppa Pig, but no, this is, they're a bit older than that at 13 and almost 10. Sam, were you killing a moose?
Yeah.
Oh dear, told you not to kill mooses.
What if I want to be Demon Barber Sweeney Todd?
I am the Demon Barber Sweeney Todd. Hey Sam, have you got some good news for me?
No.
Oh, okay. So Sam's just told me that he's year 6 ready for maths. So,
I am
well
secure
done.
in English.
And secure in English. I'm glad to.
Today I got my test results back from yesterday. I said 25. The border to be year 6 ready was 25.
And Sam, I'm really pleased for you.
I should be year 6 ready on art too, because I'm really good at that.
So Sam, how was school today?
Orange.
Alright then. It's so heavy. Is this my workout?
Yes.
Do you think this is helping me exercise?
Yes.
My legs are tired already.
Again. Sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was what see.
No, he could see. Oh my god, that's actually really hard on your legs, isn't it? See what he could see, and all that he could see. Hey Sam. Okay, so it's currently recording both screens at once. This is really weird. Okay.
Jeez.
So we're doing a serious face competition right now. 2, 1, serious face. That's not serious face. I am totally killing the serious faceness at the minute. I win. That's definitely winning 2 out of 3 so far.
Okay.
Right, ready? Serious face. Ready? Go. It doesn't count as a serious face if you cover your face. Really?
There, perfect.
Do I want to be? What?
We're wearing the same pair of socks.
No, right, that's totally an accident.
That's supposed to be odd.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Callum, I've let you down. I would never ever wear matching socks on purpose.
That is truly disgusting.
I'm sorry, Callum!
You should be!
I'm so sorry! I've let the family down!
Yes, you have. You should be deeply disappointed.
I'm so disappointed in myself!
I've got the waffles.
It's purple shirt day, which means... Sleep! Yes, we've come to the very noisy and busy leisure centre to have a sleep.
Yeah, I didn't think it could do that. But like, that's really bad. What are we doing? Oh, that's
and
decent.
camera at the same time.
That is decent.
My bedroom, we were playing Sailor Went to Sea with our feet. So that's me holding it, trying to do it with our feet, but you can see both of our silly faces at the same time.
Yeah.
I want to say hi to the cat again.
Cat butt! How did your foot fit in there with the sock bundled up at the end?
kind of want the biggest ones.
The your cakes, do what you want them.
It's time for rock cakes.
Mom, try this. What do you think?
Oh wow.
It's delicious.
You made them all by yourself. Cal, I really think you should get out of bed.
I have. This year.
What time is it, Cal?
Showtime.
What's the actual time?
I don't know, I haven't checked.
It's focus. Damn it, it's not focusing. Okay, you're gonna have to just trust me here. It's 5 p.m. It's 5 p.m. and you're still in bed, you lazy sausage.
It's actually 5:06.
Just to be pedantic.
Scrumptious.
No one will get that.
I know it's an inside joke. Okay, let me explain it.
No. It's 5 p.m. on a Sunday and Callum's just got back from seeing his mates and that. And has decided to crawl back into bed. My bed, of course, diagonally. So it was right in the way. Because obviously this is my work area as well.
I decided to lie right in front of my mum's work area.
Sam has been playing video games all day and I have been working all day editing last weekend's video. That has pretty much been our Sunday. It's been a bit quiet.
My Sunday hasn't been quiet, no.
Tell us about your Sunday.
Well, I got pushed down the moat. But it just, if the spray goes out, I'm like, oh my god. I can't even.
Who are you actually taking the piss out of right now?
Goddamn millennials.
Do you not count as a millennial?
No. Duh.
I mean, what's your generation?
Millennials.
Oh, of course.
I'm not a millennial. God.
I mean, that is a good point, because I'm technically on the cusp of millennialism. What are you? What are you?
Who am I? Who am I?